Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so jumping straight into it, I am currently on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Daily Candle Scalper EA. From what I can see here, this is an expert advisor built specifically for MT5. So it is designed to run on the MetaTrader 5 platform. The EA is listed at 199 US dollars and comes from the developer Salvatore Caliguri with version 3.7 updated on 2nd April 2026. It also shows 10 activations available, and there seems to be a promo included offering additional expert tools as a bundle for early buyers. Now, looking at the core description, this EA is built around what they call an elasticity strategy, where it tries to analyze price expansion and contraction across the market. The idea is basically to capture market reversions while working across multiple assets in a portfolio structure. One of the main highlights here is the customizable money management system. So instead of a fixed approach, you can allocate a percentage of your balance, define risk exposure, and adjust position sizing based on your own risk tolerance. It also includes equity stop loss, drawdown controls, and profit target settings. It also integrates multiple technical indicators like moving averages, oscillators, and trend-based tools, which are used internally for trade execution decisions. On top of that, it has built-in trade management features like stop loss, take profit, and optional trailing stops. Okay, so now moving into the backtesting section, it clearly states that this EA works on every tick based on real ticks, and for accurate results, that is the mode that it is expected to be used on. It also mentions that backtesting can be slow due to data loading from the broker server, and that news filter behavior won't be reflected in backtests, which can cause differences compared to live trading. So let's just quickly look at some of the results that were displayed here. So this was backtest from 2018 on Forex Chief Broker. Initial deposit $250, 100% of the balance were allocated. Total net profit $6.7 million from 2018. Okay, let's see. From 2018 on Robo Forex, $1,000. Max drawdown 50%. Total net profit $141.895. Okay. A way between realistic and unrealistic. The start amount is probably affordable by most of people. All right, here we have $10,000 initial deposit, $16,856.42. Balance allocated 20%. All right. Let's head over to our strategy tester so that we can see the EA in action using recent market data. So the daily candle scalper, we are testing it on Euro USD on the daily time frame over the past 5 months, which is from the beginning of this year 2026 till date. We are using the last ping to the server for the delays. Looking at this, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 36,163.86. The total trades taken were 456, short trades were 129 with a 75.19% win rate. Long trades were 327 with a 75.84% win rate. The largest profit was 3,252, largest loss 10,069.92. Average profit 181.34, average loss 889.43. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio on average is very bad, very poor. The win rate is okay, but I can see that this poor risk to reward ratio would likely have been one of the major causes of this negative net profit of over 36%. Now, looking at the historical testing behavior, this is more about observing how the EA interacts with long-term price movement rather than treating it as forward performance. The elasticity concept becomes clearer here as you can see how it reacts to market expansions and contractions over time. Overall, the results should always be treated as historical analysis only. Performance will still depend heavily on risk settings, broker conditions, spreads, and optimization. I'll still recommend running longer term tests yourself before considering any live deployment. So, despite the test being run over about 5 months, if you are really interested in this EA, I would suggest that you run it over longer period of time, perhaps a year or 2 years or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions and get a more comprehensive result. But in a moment, let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I just turned on the visual mode right away. And let's see. So this is the Daily Candle Scalper EA in action. Just looks simple on the chart as it looks for opportunities in the market. Doesn't seem like an aggressive EA to accumulate a lot of trade at a time, and no wonder it was recommended to be used on the daily time frame, even though it's a scalper that works on the daily time frame. Anyways, in conclusion, this is a portfolio focused MT5 EA with strong emphasis on flexible risk management and market elasticity concepts. But like any system, it needs proper testing and optimization before real use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.